Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, thank you so much for subscribing, for commenting, for liking. We are going to see how you can maintain your natural hair when you're using egg, aloe vera. I have 3 aloe vera because my hair is too much, as you can see, because my hair is too much. And we are going to use pure coconut. If you have olive oil, even olive oil you can mix, you can put inside, but me, I will use today this coconut oil, egg and aloe vera. You guys remember that this coconut, we have many types of coconuts. So every oil you see when there is coconut, just buy it, because every coconut oil it's good for hair. You have to maintain your hair. You have to take care about your hair. If you don't take care, you know that your hair will not go very well. You will lose your hair, you will come as it's falling down. But when you take control, when you take care, when you do everything nice for your hair, it will grow very well, it will come nice, and it will not fall down. Keep watching as we are going to start, okay? When you're starting this aloe vera, don't mix it in machine with this one. I have my blender here, as you can see, and here, okay? So we are going to start, but when I'm going first to peel all of these green things. I put in my bowl here. When I finished put here, I will put inside my blender. I will put my oil and I put my egg, okay? Also this egg, if you don't have aloe vera, you can use avocado. You can use avocado with egg. For example, like when you're in Uganda, you don't have aloe vera. There's some people, they are very far, they don't know even what is aloe vera. What is aloe vera? This aloe vera in our language you call it chigaji, and in my local language I call it enkaka. I know you not understand that language enkaka, but in Uganda we call it chigaji. So you have to peel. Some people, they used to wear glove, but when me I wear glove, I cannot work very well, unless when I'm cleaning. That's why I wear glove when I'm cleaning, because those chemicals can burn my hand. So I don't use gloves when I'm doing like this, because I can make a mistake. So you first cut like this. Some people they mix this aloe vera with these green things, but remember, these green things, it's not nice for your hair. You have to peel out like this. First cut this to be easy for you, so that you can peel out quickly. You see how you peel out? So you see this food for aloe vera inside. Let me use food. So you peel out like this. You see, you have to mix only this one. You have to take from inside. If not, you cannot use this knife. You have to get a spoon. You see, now I have a spoon. I'm going to peel this one. You see, I take out. So get spoon and start doing like this. You see? But as me, this one, it take a long time. It take for me like it's take too much time. So me, I want quickly, because you have to do like this one by one. No. So for me, it's better to use a knife. When I use a knife, I just peel quickly. And when you finish to use this aloe vera, guys, you have to make sure that you wash your hands very well with soap. because when you don't wash very well, when you're going to eat these things, it will come taste not nice, but then you will lose appetite for your food. So you have to wash very well. If you cannot wash very well, you can use glove, but as I told you that I don't like glove. Then you see me, I don't like spoon, because spoon is take long time for me to do this. So when I peel like this, it will be better for me, you see. Now I take all at once. This green thing, don't mix with it, because when you mix with it, it will stay in your hair. You get me? It will stay in your hair. So that's why we want to use only this one. So let us continue. As we are watching our video, please guys, take care of your hair. Nobody can take care of your hair. As you take care of your stomach, you have to remember also take care of your hair, okay? Because every time you eat breakfast, you eat dinner, you eat lunch, so you have to know that even the hair, it's like that. If you like hair, you have to think about your hair as you think about your stomach. Yeah. Oluusi tukigamba nti ekitiibwa kya mukyala kwefaako. Ekitiibwa kya mukyala endabika ye. So we are going, because my hair is too much, I'm gonna use 3 aloe vera for my hair, because my hair is too much. If your hair is too much, you can use 3, 4, 5 like that. But if your hair is short or is not long, you can use. So it depends on how your hair is. And guys, let me give you another tip. If you, as we are watching for this aloe vera, if you have malaria, if you're sick malaria, you can get this aloe vera, you cook in water, and when it's come cold, you can drink 1 glass of aloe vera. You just cut small, you put in on fire, you boil it without anything. Then when it come cold, it's not easy to drink, but it will be easy for your body. This aloe vera is medicine for everything. Yeah, so keep watching as we see this thing. Some people, they don't have aloe vera at home. They go to the mall, they buy from mall. Yeah, because me, I have a friend, she buy aloe vera in the mall, and she used little as she keeping in the fridge. This aloe vera, when you finish to use, like when you make too much, you get somewhere where you can keep like this. You get aluminium, you cover, then you keep. Every time you want to use, you can use, but that time not more than 1 month, because fridge is cold, so it will keep fresh. Don't put in freezer. If you put in freezer, it will not work very well in your hair as you want, so you will not get a better results. You have to keep in normal fridge, not in freezer. When you put in freezer, it will come ice. When it come ice, it will come like water. When you put in your hair, it will come like water, so you will not feel it aloe vera. You get me? You will not feel it aloe vera. But when you keep normal, you just cut small. When you want to put, just take this one for inside, mix what you want to mix, then put, it will work very well. But when you finish mix and put in the fridge, it will not work very well as you want. Please guys, when you know you're not yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. You see, this is the green thing I have take out all, as you can see. And also aloe vera, it's nice for face, but me I don't like it, because when you put, you have to go and shower. Me, I'm not ready to shower now. So this is my food for my hair. You have to take care about your food. Now we are going to mix it inside blender. So guys, this is my blender. We are going to put inside one by one. This is you see how it look like. There is no green things. Okay, so now it have to look like this. Don't put this green in your hair, inside your hair, because it will not look nice. So this is egg. This is oil, I told you. Some people, they ask me, what are you using in your hair? Guys, this is the things I'm using in my hair. So you see now how this oil will look like when you're putting inside. I don't know why this one not clear. So it's look like this. I have to put more because my hair is too much. Let me show you how. Coconut oil have to look like this. You see my hand? It has to look like this. You see inside there is something, coconut oil, right? That's how it's have to look like. So I have to continue putting inside because it have to work on my hair very well. If you put shea, you will not get a better results. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use olive oil. I have 5 types of oil. or 4 types of oil, or 5, yeah, the types I use in my hair. So you can go and check my old videos. There is that type of oil I use in my hair. If you don't know which oil you can use your hair, you go and check. Yeah, those oil is very, very nice oil. It's good for hair. It stops falling down. Yeah, you see, it remains written. So we are going now to mix. Okay, now I'm done. When you're making machine, you have to make sure that you make very well mix. When you don't mix very well, it will be something inside. Then when you put in your hair, it will stuck in your hair. So you see our juice for our hair, it's have to look like this. Okay guys, now we have finished to mix our food for our hair. So when you finish mix, you can get some clothes or some scarf lights, okay, so that you have to I don't know how to call it, obusengeja, obusengeja. It's not a must. Obusengeja is not a must, so it's not a must, but this one we have, and this one is better. You can get some light clothes, to remove those white things, because when you don't do like this, there is something white things when you finish shower. When you comb your hair, you will seeing it fall down from aloe vera. But when we are going to do this one, then you will see what will come. They say in Uganda one is for 1,000. Yeah, it's neat for hair, so we are going to do it and see what you will see our results. Okay. You see how it's come? You see those things I was telling you? This is the things it will stay in your hair. You get it? This is the things it will stay in your hair when you don't use this thing, this net. Or any scarf or any clothes light, when you put water, lights come out. You see? Now I have take out. So when you finish, you can get your things like this. You can put this one so that it will help you to put in your hair very well. Because you can't take with like this in your hand, but when you have this one, you just cross and just you make a line, you put, you make a line, you put, okay? Now you see the thing is full, but I have to put this everything in my hair. Because my hair, this one is not full, because my hair is very, very big hair, okay? So if you have small hair, you can use one aloe vera or half aloe vera. When you put inside for 1 hour or 2 hours, eh? You first put on your skin, eh? You make sure you massage. You have to make a massage. When you finish to make a line, you have to make sure that you put everywhere. I've got a treatment. You have to put to see that everywhere I've put. You have to put it very well. Make sure that everywhere you have put the treatment of your hair. You have to tie it very well, so that it's not come outside. So 2 hours or 1 hour, then you go and wash. I'm done, so ngenda kudda nga tugenda okukola ki, nga tugenda okuzinaabamu. I'm going to come back when you are going to wash our hair, okay? To see the results, you have to cover very well with the nylon plastic as you have seen, so that the things not come down from your body. You see, now it has stopped. Okay, so when I'm going to shower, I will see that I will do that. I have to wash every my clothes because there is egg, so it have to be smelling. Okay, so when you're going to wash, you have used just this thing that I will wash, and you check, you will get another one. So when you not tight very well, this thing it will still coming on your skin. But when you tight, you see it has stopped. You have to use 2 plastic to cover your hair. Now nobody can know that I have put something in my hair. You can even use this thing because aloe vera is not smelling. Your boss cannot know that you put anything in your hair, okay? So you just put like this and take care of your hair. So we are going to come back on another video when we are seeing how our hair look like. We are going to come back for the results. Oh guys, I have come back to check our results, how our hairs look like. You have to leave in like 2 hours or 1 hour. So it depends on your time. Let us go. You see? Me, I put it too much. Yeah, but you can put little. You can put little because when you put too much, it's come from inside. But me, because of too much hair, I have to put too much things. So 1 hour is enough for me. You see now what I have look like. So I'm going to shower now my hair to get a better results. Before you shower, you have first to comb your hair. Wow. I have done to wash my hair. You see how it's come soft? So, my dear, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will be getting the new videos. Thank you so much. Bye.